last star holds its breath above the hill, the whole world caught between the dark and still. No sound yet from the houses or the road, just the weight of everything that night has owed. Out here because I had to know if the light comes back or just pretends to show. Standing in the margin between states, where nothing ends and nothing yet creates. Before the first bird sings, before the morning brings its noise and need and ordinary things, I am here. Before the first bird sings, before the whole world stings itself awake with all its wanderings, I am here, just here. There is a kind of prayer that has no words, that lives between the silence and the birds, a frequency that only breaks of day can tune you into before it slips away. Before the first bird sings, before the morning